Hey everyone, I am so hoping you're going to enjoy this. David and I are taking you along with us today in this vlog. We're going to be looking at this pink Bentley that some of you have seen on Instagram and we're going absolutely mad about. I'm going to show you that. We also go to the Aspinal of London Autumn-Winter 18 event, and I have filmed quite a lot of the bags that I want to show you that are coming out middle of this year towards the autumn. Then I think the moment of my life, apart from that cute dog, I got to meet Victoria Beckham, and you are coming to all of it with me. Let's go. Hey everyone, is this thing gonna focus? It's focusing. We have just arrived at the Aspinal of London Autumn-Winter 2018 press day. The last one that I came to, some of you may remember, I came to one last September and it was so much fun. So this is like the entranceway that we've just come through. I hope you can hear me, by the way. Oh, I love this one. That is so sweet. I should say, this is actually Aspinal's flagship store in London. It's on Regent Street. You can come in here, you can browse. I've never been in here before and I'm actually surprised at how big it is. I thought it was just going to be one room, but there are multiple rooms of it. They have also got men's stuff in here. These are really good for work. I've got one of these in black that I use for my laptop.
This is focusing today.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Oh look! That's really cute. Look at the size Stop it! David's winding it up. Right, David is on the champagne. I am not, because I'm driving. Champagne. So that's the Hatchbox bag. Look at the front of it. All of those stars are embroidered on. Which one?
That bag's for exams. So you can see that nobody's going to cheat.
That's such a bad joke. Yeah, it's nice though, in the two sizes that you can get. Ooh, look what I've just seen. Look at this. That is nice. I really do like this smaller hat box design. I know I keep doing this, but I'm just going to do it again. This is the regular size, and let me tell you, that is already a good size. It's kind of small. The opening of it looks like this. So it's like, you know, it's like not huge. And then this is the new size. That would be... No, but that would be good for in the evening.
What, so you just put your lipstick in?
Just your lipstick and like a credit card or something, and you can have it on the chain handle. That's cool.
Why don't you just put your credit card in your pocket?
Well, you could, but that's a man thing to do. Let's go and take a look. So this is where we were a few moments ago, and you can like look down on everything down there.
Have the rest of that. No, because we're not driving for a while.
No, I know, but no, I won't.
No, you've got germs. You've got germs, you've got germs.
That soft drink was horrible. No, that soft drink wasn't very nice.
It was lovely.
It wasn't. As I was saying, I really hope you can hear me. I don't think you can... What are you doing? Oh. I can see you zooming in. I'm not zooming in, I promise.
You're not zoomed in, I swear.
He always does this, he'll like zoom into my eyes.
No, you're all zoomed in.
Yeah, so I don't think you can buy any of this until September. My main purpose in going to this and filming it is I wanted to show you as many of the new items as possible, because I know for a lot of you who are into Aspinal, it is really good to see it before it comes out so that you can plan what you might want to get. Everything is coming out, to my understanding, end of August, so that it goes on sale in September. The colours in the new collection are, as you can see here, like dark purples, there's an orange, sort of cornflower blue. There were a couple of metallics that look quite cool. I really like the silver metallic, it looked really clean and really fresh. Everything in the store, they were all sample pieces, so I think that was just for us to have a look at and film and stuff like that. Oh my god, can I just say as well, that small hat box, I've already got one that I thought was small, but this tiny one would be perfect for a night out. So I hope that this is giving you a nice snapshot of what is available. We've left Aspinal and we've just come... Do they?
Yeah, hello.
We've just come into Bentley on Berkeley Square in London. Jack Barclay, that is. I don't know why we've come in here. David wanted to stop in here, but can I just show you this car? I love the colour of it. Oh, come with me. Look at this Super Sports. It's such a nice colour. It's quite nice convertible as well, isn't it? What do you think? Do you like that colour, or do you think after a while it's going to get on your nerves? Hello.
Hello.
What do you think of the colour?
Don't like the colour.
No, I think it's going to be like Marmite.
You can look downstairs.
Yeah. It surprises me that they're serving alcohol when you might possibly be on a test drive. Look at that bottle of Hennessy. It's quite big. Anyway, back to the pink Bentayga. What's going on with the colours in here? I mean... Huh? Yeah, David's car was in the showroom down here. This is very you. Thumbs up in the comments if you think that David could get away with this. No, it doesn't.
I can see you driving.
Go on, get in it.
Would you go to Waitrose and...
No, I wouldn't go to Waitrose and that. Today, I have come to the Victoria by Victoria Beckham event. We're here, I hope you can hear this, we're here to see the new Autumn-Winter 2018 collection that's getting launched obviously later this year. Victoria is actually here and I'm really hoping to go and ask her some questions about the range, about the inspirations behind it. There's a lot of, I'm going to show you in a second, there's a lot of maroons, pale pinks, sort of creamy camel colours. Some of it's so nice actually. So we've got really nice knits. I've got to say actually, this particular line, the Victoria by Victoria Beckham line, is really nice. It's actually, if you're sort of into high-end high street, you can get some really beautiful pieces that are quite well priced and I must say very well made. These trousers, I'm trying to do my best here everyone. These trousers are nice. I like the waistband on those. Pinks, maroons, a touch of blue and a bit of cream. See what we got going on. It's so busy in here. We're like trying to move around and it's so busy.
But also we are like over the last couple of years we've been expanding so much further.
That's a really nice cut actually, more of a straight leg.
Yeah. Again, it's a bit like tailoring them, isn't it?
Yeah.
Manly, quite like
Yeah.
straight.
So this is coming out in September.
Oh, okay. I will.
It's really pretty out here. It's too cold though to sit out here at the moment. I've just seen this and I absolutely love it. So this looks like sheepskin lined and I really like the black details on it. What do you think?
I really hope I'm doing an okay job of filming this. I'm really trying. It's really hard to sort of like back up so you can see enough.
I'm really aware that I haven't done a great job of filming a lot of the pieces, and I really tried my best, but I don't know if you can see, it was a tiny room that we were in, and it was really impossible to get any of the items into daylight and actually get a good look at them. So I'm going to link below to a place where you can go and check out all of the new stuff. It's coming out in August this year to go on sale in the autumn. I also got the opportunity to meet and talk to Victoria, which was just epic, but unfortunately we weren't allowed to film it. So that's a bit annoying because I wanted you guys to join in with that, but she seems so nice. The collection looks really cool. If you have any questions about the Aspinal or the Victoria by Victoria Beckham new collections that are coming out at the end of the year, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. As always, thank you all of you for watching. I really, really appreciate it, and I hope you've enjoyed this. See you in the next video.